Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your currency in the Voghion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then just click on the currency button. And here you can change your currency according to your country. So just click on the one that you want to use and then click on done. And now your currency is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.